Bitcoin, Ethereum, your FOREX, e-commerce.
Life like going out.
When you get the attention, sometimes you feel tension. When you stand on the stage of life, everything when you don't think right from time, you just be like say you don't lose.
Pretty she great, when you hugging so sweet. Her lip on my lip, she stretching my feet. How can I wait? I cannot resist.
So guys, once again, I just thought to share a few tips of how to start earning online. Digital currency, as you'd say, a lot of trends going up on the internet. You're hearing about Bitcoin, you're hearing about Etherium, you're hearing about FOREX, you're hearing about this, you're hearing about that, you're hearing about online courses, and who is actually making of this? From the way I understand, it's more about your normal operations. Like you would have a brick and mortar store, now shift your operation on the internet. So this time around, rather than hold an inventory of say a product like this, you're now having a digital representation of that product and then putting up on the internet. So your products vary from they have different formats: songs, music, you sell it, create courses, more like teachers. You're now creating a digital course and then putting up on the internet for people to learn, which is very valuable, and you exchange that for money. You have an e-commerce platform, an e-commerce store, niche markets, sell something, let's say groceries, to your people around your environment. So that's also making money off digital.
You are unique. You are incredible. You are beautiful. You are strong. You are healthy. You are incredible. You are magnificent. You are sweet.
Blockchain is also an opportunity where, guys, understand that it's the next thing. It's the next thing, yeah. A lot of payments are going to be done on the internet. For example, an e-commerce site like do7solutions.com would have to sell its product and then have a payment gateway accepting cryptocurrency. So in Cabo, I have a very excellent young man who is piloting the affairs and the movement. So at some point, he'll start accepting some coins, maybe Ethereum and Bitcoins. But that has to be integrated in the platform where I, as a consumer or as a customer, will say, okay, charge this account certain number of BTC. You have Ethereum as an option, you have Dogecoin as an option, different platforms or different options to leverage. So it's so broad. For me, I just want us to have this concept and understand this concept, because there are a lot of questions. What is really happening? People are saying, what is crypto? What is digital currency? How do I get my business online? How do I start earning online like everybody's doing? This is not the first time it's happening in life. If you go back as far back as 3,000 years ago, 4,000 years ago, new technology, new innovation will have to change the content and learn the skills on how to latch onto new trends and see how to earn. I had a conversation with a young man today. He was asking about how about going to FOREX. I also had the same conversation with a friend back in the day, and he was asking based on my understanding about information technology and business consultancy. So he was asking, what is the best option, stock market or FOREX or cryptocurrency or having an e-commerce site? I'm like, come on. Yeah, these are the trends, these are the insights, but there are concepts and basics to this thing. Go into what you understand. The same thing applies to, say, okay, you want to sell a product. For example, you want to have a product that you run Facebook ads or Google ads and sell. Which is the physical product, or develop a digital product and then have a digital product up there on the internet. The main thing is there's a product or the service, but this time around it's done digitally.